because you are our leader, let me mention the following. President Moi did great things in this country. We are seeing his fruits in Uasin Gishu County. One is Eldoret International Airport, Moi University, Moi Barracks, Kenya Ordnance, that is a military. They are manufacturing equipment, and now Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital, Your Excellency. Since you are a son of a hero, you are a gentle giant. Your father, we are seeing his fruits. Can you now take over? I want to say today that indeed leadership is a calling from God to serve humanity with honor, justice, integrity, fairness, as opposed to personal greed and sycophant. Your Excellency, your personality is characterized by the following. One, you are a noble person. And indeed, you are humble. Very humble indeed. You are simple. You are approachable. You are accessible. You are consistent. You have the compassion. You have the love net, communication, networking, and connection. The 5 C's of leadership skills. And of course, your competence, Your Excellency. To wind up, tell His Excellency the 5-star General, Uhuru Kenyatta, that we love him. We know we are cognizant of the political turbulence or political tides, that we thank His Excellency because he has the wisdom in weathering the storm and steadying the ship to save our harbors. Tell him he is indeed an extraordinary and genius pilot. He is a brilliant pilot. Tell him we shall give him our shoulders all the time to lean on. As I finish, Your Excellency, since I know you are a great man, you are a very disciplined person. I've never seen a disciplined human soul like you. In fact, calling me in the morning, I was indeed humbled. I'll be humbled the whole year because you are a great man. Tell now His Excellency, and this is serious, that we want farmers through Tiren to see His Excellency the President. We are farmers who have not been paid. Secondly, Your Excellency, with a lot of humility. So millers, the trees are red. I've seen Professor here. Kimeche ketel ketik kokosekitu, ilechi topigo kokon rosa ketel ketik amu yokitu. So Your Excellency, ko ngalekab bandek iteken over mwenyewe. Katar manai bichu kole ami security. I member nebo security in the national government. Ko amut kokokibarchin nyo kole kokoibirchi mwenyewe ikochi amri ya mwisho Koinange, Paul Koinange. Kopirwo simet kakeyok rani biik chebo homicide. Kinome bichoto kole kwisha. Ko biik chacham ko ngololoti ovyo ovyo eng ane kondenoi. Kakonu amri ya mwisho ale makotese ruta kotet. Yes, Your Excellency, with those few remarks,